Monday. Today is April 22nd. I am Jenny McKenna with McKenna Property Management. I am going to be walking the property today at 2225 Mundare, we believe is what we're saying, hopefully we're saying that correct. First thing I would like to say is I love the fact that we have desert landscaping in the front, easy maintenance. All we'll do is make sure that the tenant pulls the weeds, keeps the bubblers on, so this will be maintenance free. It'll continue to grow with these desert plants and it'll look lovely. I also like the paver driveway as well as the paver walk up to the front door. So both those things add kind of a little bit more of an upgrade feel to the property. Also gives you more of a modern feel. I like these coach lights. So the exterior has a very, very good curb appeal. So that's a nice factor. So come on in and let's take a look inside. So we've got a cool, nice, bright front door. We're not going to be able to change this color, though I love it. But we won't be changing any colors on the exterior because we are governed by an HOA. So an HOA is going to make sure that all of these standard colors remain. That way your neighbor doesn't paint their house pink or purple. We have uniformity within the neighborhood. So nice big open entry here. We'll go back into what we would call, or I call, a great room effect. So as you get into this big main living area, it's just one nice big open room. They've already set up for the flat screen TVs, which is awesome. So we won't have to be putting any kind of holes in the drywall, because nowadays everybody's really using their flat screen, so that would go up here, climb through here, and then you've got your cable hookup. This is wired for surround sound. So if the tenant wants to install their own speaker system, again, they do not have to be digging into our drywall. They can just remove the plate, install their speaker system, and then they will have surround sound here in the great room. This is going to be your dining area, your nook. Great because it's big enough for a formal dining room table, or you can go more casual depending on what you want. You've got your breakfast bar right there that will easily fit 4 stools. Love the modern cabinetry, so you've got your darker cabinetry. John and I like to call this espresso, right John? So our espresso cabinet with this is your lower grade granite, but it's still going to work out fine. It works well with the stainless steel appliances, the color of cabinets, and it is granite, so people will love that, especially tenants. We have the new modern barn or farm sink. It is undermount. I do see, John, that this probably needs a new bead of caulking through here. I know that they did the undermount, but I don't know if they did a real good sealing job on this. So just so we don't have water going up and behind here, we probably want to make sure that that gets sealed really well.
There's none here.
Yeah, so see, I think that they tried to add it here.
Yeah, I feel it.
Yeah, and I'd like to make sure that goes clear. Let's not go white. They tried to go white, and I think white's kind of ugly. So let's go ahead and make sure this is all clear. We did notice that the fake drawer right here, I think somebody pulled too hard on, so it is about to come off. It's not damaged, so John can just make sure that that gets reassembled here. And then of course we're missing a dishwasher here that will need to be installed. I am recommending that if the seller is installing the dishwasher, then obviously it needs to go back to what it was on the MLS records. If we have to purchase it, I'm going to suggest that we go stainless steel to match the microwave and the stove. You'll notice that that's got a little bit of a different look than what you've got over here on the stainless steel. This is so that you don't get fingerprints all over the appliance. We want to match the dishwasher with the microwave and the stove. Love this pantry area here, so this is awesome. You'll get a lot of usage out of that, canned goods, things that you want to keep off the pantry or off the counter. Ceiling fan, which is awesome here. Love, cannot say enough, synthetic grass. I know this is expensive to initially install, but the seller did this and it's awesome. So we've got the rock all along the edges, and then you've got your synthetic grass that will last forever. So this right here gives you the feeling of green. That is going to be big when it's hot here. So in the summers, tenants are going to really like having that feeling of that. Now we're going to go over here. Alarm can be operated and hooked up with the tenant if they so choose. We don't need it for our purposes, but it is pre-wired so they can use it if they like. You get some nice storage under here that goes under the stairs. And then an impressive part of this floor plan is this bedroom. So normally when they stick a bedroom downstairs, they do it, I think, kind of as an afterthought, and they make it small. In this case, this is not a small bedroom. So this is definitely can be used as a guest quarter. It can be used as a wonderful office. So I think this will have multiple uses and it will attract those applications faster than on some other houses. Love the raised panel doors through the whole property. And then if you do use that that bedroom as a guest bedroom, you can use this as your guest bathroom. If you use it as an office, this just becomes the guest bath for when you're entertaining friends for football, hockey, or any of those fun stuff. All right, more storage here, which is great. More storage here. And then I like how they left us some of the extra ceramic tile. So if any of these pieces get settled and cracked, we have those that we can use, pop out the bad one, put in the good one. They've got the grout there and they've got the touch-up paint, so that's really nice. This is a very good size for our garage. We've got extra space on both sides. So a tenant's going to be able to park their bikes or anything that they want over here. So they will look at that and they will like that. Also, you have an access door to the side yard, which is awesome. Already have the garage door opener, so for a new property, all these things that I'm mentioning are just bonuses that you do not have to pay for. I would like to get this power washed. I don't know if this will come up or not, but it would be nice if I could tell the future tenant, hey, those are just stains in the garage floor. We power washed them. Here's my receipt. It is what it is. I do think some of this might come up, but I just think it would give it a better feel, especially since we're advertising such a brand new house. So power washing is about $150, is that correct, John?
185.
Okay, $185. I think it's well worth it. I can show that receipt to the tenant. We can have a start point of what this concrete slab looks like. And then we have over here, we will go up the stairs. I really like how wide the stairs are. Sometimes when you're in a particular floor plan where the stairs are on the front side of the house, they go a little narrow to give you more space in the entry. But this is actually a really good width for your stairs. Master is going to be right off of your stairs, which is always awesome. Let the kids go farther. Less stairs, less walking for the adults. Great size master. You'll be able to put dressers in here, hutches in here. Notice this too. Whoever the seller was had them install these. These are reading lights for over your bed. So this was a nice addition that they had with the builder. You're not going to get those normally on regular houses. So tenants will appreciate that. Coming in here, love again that they went ceramic tile flooring, walk-in closet, separate toilet area, separate tub, separate shower. Really, this is a perfect little bathroom. I mean, it accomplishes everything that you want. The only thing that I see that a tenant may want to do, which isn't going to bother me, they may want to put up a bar right here so that they can close off the light. If you have a partner that wants to sleep when the other partner is in getting ready, you can see where the lights of the bathroom are going to become a bit of a problem. So if a tenant asks for a bar that they want to install, I will not have an issue with that. They'll probably go just above the arch, and then they can put up their own blackout curtains or whatever they decide to do. And we'll just leave the bar, and we'll leave the bar there for the future tenants. Again, a pre-wire for the flat screen TV, which is great. Little surprised that I don't have a flat screen pre-wire here. We do have our cable, but they didn't do the pre-wire flat screen. So there may be a flat screen going in here if they use this as a TV room. But again, this could be used as maybe the kids' play area. It could be used as the kids' homework area. I'm 99% sure this is going to be rented to a family. So they're going to utilize this however their family wants it to do. We've got some extra storage here. Here is our guest bathroom. Now it's taking a second for those to warm up. I personally hate those kind of light bulbs. Traditionally, I asked John to go through and change out all of those light bulbs. They're energy efficient light bulbs to go in with normal light bulbs. especially in bathrooms, because if you're showing this property, you're going to do exactly what I just did. Turn this on. This is going to feel dull. It's not going to feel as bright and open as it should. So John, maybe we can get at least these 4 light bulbs replaced out. Love the fact that the toilet and the very deep single enclosure tub shower has a separate door. So if you have brother, sister, and they need to get ready for school at the same time, you can have privacy in here while somebody is over there. So very, very good floor plan from that standpoint. Now this is where you've got your wing of bedrooms. Notice how big these bedrooms are. So traditionally, these are not anywhere near this size. So when those individuals are out there looking at properties and they have a certain number of bedrooms they need to meet for their family, this is going to be very, very enticing, because they're going to be able to put proper beds in here, a dresser in here, an end table, and it's not going to be too packed. Love the ceiling fan that's already been installed. We've got your other bedroom here. Again, good size, ceiling fan, blinds already on the property, so love the fact that all of this work has been done. Makes our life so much easier. And then we have our front bedroom here, which has the unique window appeal. So you've got your little smaller rectangular window. This is east facing, so that in the mornings this will be a beautiful bedroom. It'll have all your morning light. Then what is super cool is this upstairs washer dryer. So whenever you are a family and you have a lot of laundry you need to do for your kids, one of the things that tenants hate is that the laundry is downstairs, meaning washer dryer is downstairs, and then they got to track everything upstairs to put it away. Here, you can hide it all back here with a closed door. You actually have a room. Then you can do the laundry, and then you can disperse amongst where all the clothes go, linens and clothes and so forth. What I am going to request, though, is that we buy a washer dryer. You do not want a future tenant trying to bring their washer and dryer up those stairs around that corner into this room. They're going to ding up door frames. They're going to ding up your paint. I also don't trust tenants hooking up to these hoses. If for any reason they don't know what they're doing, or they think they've got it tight enough, and then it starts leaking back here, it will go down as water does to the lowest point. So we do not want any problems with ceilings, wall interior, or any of that. Let's get ourselves a washer dryer. Let's have it professionally installed. That way we have no issues. We will not allow the tenant, if they're bringing their own washer dryer, they will store theirs, they will use ours. And that way it just becomes a safety mechanism, and it kind of controls the situation with washer and drying. But other than that, this house is awesome. So just a few things that John might get off of the inspection report. A few things that I've noted with the light bulbs in the downstairs cabinet along with the appliance install. Other than that, this is a phenomenal rental property.